Yo, what is up everybody? And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can recover your Trust Wallet. So it's pretty simple to recover your Trust Wallet, but before I show you guys how you guys can do it, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our YouTube channel One to Step so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment and let's get on with today's video. So to recover your Trust Wallet account, basically you want to open your Trust Wallet app, and after you open Trust Wallet, you want to click on where it says I already have a wallet. Click on it. You want to click on I've read and accept the terms and service, continue. Now once you're over here, you want to click on multi-coin wallet. Now once you're over here, you want to enter the phrase. By phrase I mean like when you're opening your Trust Wallet account, it's going to give you a bunch of words, right? And you want to enter the bunch of word in correct order. All right, they're going to give you a word in like 1 2 3 4 numbers written in it, so you have to enter the words on that correct order. So remember, if you forgot those words, or like you forgot in which arrangement it was given to you, then basically your account is lost. These are your recovery word. As you guys can see, it's called recovery phrase. All right, there's going to be a bunch of words and it's called recovery phrase. So those are the word which is used to recover your Trust Wallet account. But if you forgot those words as well, then basically your account is gone. Like you cannot recover it again. All right, so you have to type those words over here. After you type those words in correct order, you can click on import. Or if you have a QR code, you can always click on this button and scan the QR code as well. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can recover your Trust Wallet account. First is the recovery phrase, the second is your QR code. That's basically it. So if you forgot your recovery phrase and your QR code is lost, then think that your account is lost. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can drop it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in another video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, and have a nice day.